Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Campground Recon. We are going to show you some amazing campsites in our 195th Colorado Campground Tour. Bogan Flats Campground has sites right on the Crystal River, and it is less than 5 miles from the town of Marble, Colorado. Let's take a look. Site number 1 is the nearby group campground, which is just up the road from here. Campsite number 2 is right inside the gate. We'll come back and take a closer look in a few minutes. Campsite 3, Black Rubicon, is in site number 4. Site 5 is behind the sign. Number 6 is a pull-through. Got a water spigot across from it by the restrooms. Campsites here at Bogan Flats are $29 per night, and reservations are available at Recreation.gov. There's a look at campsite number 7. Number 8, that's pretty short. You can get a truck in there, or a van, camper van. Number 9 is on our right. 10 left. It's going to be 11 that we just looked at on our left. 12 on the right. Another water spigot. You can hook a water hose up to that. Here's a look at site number 13. You can get a little glimpse of the Crystal River here. You can hear it flowing back behind 13. Oh, this is going to be a great site coming up here. Number 15. Let's take a look at 15. 15 is a long one. You could get a long fifth wheel on a pickup truck. And it's right on the river. Little A-frames and another great site by the river. That was 16. 17. It's a little parking area, but the picnic area on this one is really nice. The fire ring is about 10 feet from the river. This one's filled up. 18 on the right. 19, pull-through site. Overlooking the river. Site 20 was the Wolf Pup camper. The pop-up is in 22. And another one that's really nice, 21, pull-through site. 23 is where the tent is.
And we do not have cell phone service for Verizon nor AT&T.
Look inside of 29. We'll pull through 24. It's a handicap accessible site. This one has trees and willows around it, so it feels a little secluded. Another water, 28 with the camper. $25. It's a nice pull-through site right along the river. $26 will also be next to the river. The view is not quite as good, but you can still see the river. There's site 27 on the right. Circling back around. It's 25 on the left, 28 on the right. Two pull-through sites. 29 was the one on the right, and 24 was on the left. Campsite number 30 on the right. A little short. River water spigot. 31. It's across from the campground host. This one backs up to the campsite that had the pop-up trailer, and then the campsite with the wolf pup camper. 32 was the camp host. 33 is the white truck. 34 was the fifth wheel, and another water station up next to it. $35. That one's a little overgrown and short. 36, right side. 37 is the fifth wheel. 36, you had a couple steps up to get to the picnic area. Looking at site 15. Was a short one on the right. 11, right side. 12 was left. See the number on that one? 10. That was 10 on the right. 9 on the left with the green tarp. Look up into 8 on the left. That one backs up to the river. There's that number 7 on the right. Five left behind the sign. 4. 3. 2's a long one. Plenty of room for a long fifth wheel. And the river's just on the other side of the fence and down the hill. Bogan Flats, site number 2. And we're looking next door at site number 3's picnic area. If you missed our last video tour of nearby Redstone Campground, we'll put a link in the corner as well as down in the video description. Most of the attractions in that video are even closer to us here at Bogan Flats Campground. Here's a quick recap of the attractions in the Redstone video. We began with a visit to the Redstone Coke Ovens Historic District. Then a quick stop at Hayes Creek Waterfall. Next up was the Marble Mill National Historic Site. The marble mines around Marble, Colorado provided the stone for the Lincoln Memorial, the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, and hundreds of other buildings. We followed a rough four-wheel drive road along the Crystal River to one of the most photographed places in Colorado, the historic Crystal Mill. Next, we made a brief stop in the ghost town of Crystal. Followed by some great barbecue in Marble at Slow Groovin' Barbecue. $125,000.
And finally, we checked out some expensive marble sculptures. Be sure to check out that video for additional information on those attractions. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and let us know what your favorite part was.
Thanks for watching.
Have a blessed day.